Fix in 5. Let's decode P0578. Cruise control switch input circuit high, electrical fault in cruise co. Causes, symptoms, the fix, and what it costs. You can keep driving, for now. For now, is doing a lot of work there. First, the symptoms. Cruise control system inoperative or unable to engage. Cruise control warning light illuminated on dashboard. Cruise control switches unresponsive to input. Intermittent cruise control operation. Steering wheel control buttons not functioning. Now the most likely causes. Defective cruise control switch or stock assembly. Wiring open or short circuit in cruise control circuit. Corroded or damaged connector pins. PCM, Powertrain Control Module, malfunction. Clock spring failure in steering column. What does it cost? Roughly €35 minus 95 doing it yourself, or €99 minus 159 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How to fix it? Replace cruise control switch or stock assembly. Repair or replace damaged wiring harness. Clean or replace corroded connectors. Replace clock spring if damaged. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. People also ask, how much does it cost to fix P0578? The cost to fix P0578 generally ranges from €80 to €500, depending on the specific fault, your vehicle's make, model, and local labor rates. A diagnostic scan at a shop will help identify the exact cow. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0578. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.